Learn how to use will, may and might to speak about the future in English. Signal words. Here are some words that might be used or indicate use of will, may, and or might. Today, tomorrow, soon, someday, this afternoon, week, month, next week, year, month. Any future time can be used with will, may and might. Uses of will. You can use will as a voluntary action. Are you hungry? I will make you a sandwich. I will turn down the TV, it is too loud. As a promise. Will you love me forever? Yes, I will love you forever. I won't stop loving you. Can I borrow $100? I will pay you back next week. As a future prediction. How do you think the weather will be tomorrow? I think it will rain tomorrow. It won't snow this month. Uses of may and might. As a future possibility. I think I might visit Italy next year. Are you watching the game on Sunday? I might not watch the football game on Sunday, I am too busy. I have a lot of homework to do, so I may not go to her party this weekend.